What's up, guys? Cointable here. I'm Chris Tisdale, and we just pulled up to the coin show. Yeah, it's the first coin show since COVID, COVID, whatever you want to call it. And we're super excited. I'm gonna go in there. I'll show you guys some of the stuff. But my theory is, and I could totally be wrong, but I've got a theory, and that is, you've got all these coin dealers who are used to doing the coin show circuit, and they haven't done a show in 4 to 5 months, and so. Could be wrong, but my theory is we might find some decent stuff today. So let's keep our fingers crossed and let's go check it out and see what we can find. Come on. Dude, I just talked to my buddy. Last night on eBay, a Jason Dominguez in PSA 10, 500 bucks. 550 it sold on eBay. Jason Dominguez in a PSA 10. Looks like it scored a little bit at Walmart. We missed the mosaic, but I don't even know if they put any out. Yeah, they did. It was all right here, and it's gone. That's okay though. We're checking on Score Football right now, so we're gonna find out about Score Football, and then we're on to the next freaking Walmart, and hopefully we'll make some money. Score Football is the first NFL for the year, so we're gonna go ahead and get it. All right. Well, it's a risk, but we're gonna take it, so it'll be good. All right, we're at the coin show here. We found our boy Justin, and Justin's a maverick, okay? He's a trailblazer. We're at a coin show, and he's got a bunch of cases full of cards. Who'da thunk? How's it going for you?
It's been great, man. It's been really killer. I've sold more cards than coins.
At a coin show? At
a coin show. The first coin show post-COVID.
You've sold more cards than coins at a coin show?
Yes, sir.
You heard it here. He did it first. Hey, and then Justin, why don't we talk to you for a minute?
Yeah, what do you want to talk about?
What are you up to?
Yeah, for sure. So, cherry picking some coins.
What are you picking? What do you focus on? What's your specialty?
Lincoln cents.
Lincoln cents?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, and it gives. So this guy here, this is Justin, and so they're both Justin, but this is Justin. He's the first dude that motivated me to go to Long Beach for a coin show. I think it was I'm pretty sure it was 2012. And I thought I did good, made a little bit of money, but he's like, oh yeah, I found this, I bought it for 100, I'm gonna sell it for 8. He crushed it on all these early wheat cents, like 09S BDBs or BBDs. Anyways, 22 no D. What have you found today?
That was a good show. Found a couple proof sets with some really nice color on the coins, which is cool. But that's it. I haven't even made a full round yet. So.
Yeah, me neither. I have a hard time not socializing.
Yeah.
Anything in particular specifically that you're looking for?
No. Just looking for the good deals.
So you're looking for money?
Yeah.
We're just out here looking for free money.
Good place to look for money.
Yeah. Have you really sold a bunch of cards?
I think so, yeah.
What a trip.
Yeah.
Who would have thought?
I know, right?
At a coin show.
Yeah.
That tells you something, bro. It tells you something.
Must have. I have an 06. What is that? Pretty darn close.
How do you go through stuff like that? Like, how do you find? Do you still? What I guess I'm asking, do you still go through stuff like that? Original bags or rolls?
Well, I'm
or?
going to tell you, my last deal, I bought a bag of Mercury diamonds. Okay, and I thought something just said you need to look at it. You need to look at it. So I thought, all right. So I went through every damn and logged it. I'll show you what I found.
That's like what I was looking for.
Got me all excited. We talk about it all the time. Abundance is everywhere. So we got a bag of Merc dimes, and something said look through it. And he's about to show us what he found.
I just set it off for hemp grade. Now that intuition told me the right thing.
Ooh.
In a bag of junk dimes.
That's what he found, the 42 over 41. You guys, the D is way more rare than the P. That's an awesome find. That's an incredible find. So that was fairly recent.
And that was probably the last 100 coins I went through of that day. I thought, oh shit, I'm tired of this. Man,
Can't quit now.
my gut's telling me there's something good.
See, I hear that, and it helps me feel better about myself and what I do. Because when I do that, I'm like, oh my God, why am I doing this? What am I doing? But then I'll find something.
Listen, I've gone through bags and bags, found nothing. But when you find one coin like that, it's worth over $1,000. How can you do that?
You can't.
You know,
How much is that one? This one?
$100.
Is that a good deal?
They only made it 5,000. So
That means about nothing to me. So how much do I owe you?
8,550 bucks.
8,550? Seems a little bit higher than what we discussed. 1,800.
Yeah. You said bring as much as you can.
Oh, so you brought more?
Oh yeah. Well, we were up to 3,400, and then I went in Washington and bought a whole bunch of silver proof sets.
Are you serious right now?
Yeah.
8,550, 25. He is not joking.
3,937.
Even?
Yeah.
That's those 4 boxes?
Yep.
That's a purchase. That's going to take all next week. That's going to take an entire week's worth of work, but hopefully we'll find some money in there. All right, guys. We were at a coin show. Thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Leave any comments if you have any questions. We'll see you guys soon.